What's up, guys? Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today on a beautiful Georgia evening. It's cooling down here in Georgia. It was nice today. Only got in the 80s where I'm at. Anyway, that's not why we're here. If you go back on my channel, I have been reviewing my cousin's cars since her 2019 Acura MDX. And since that black Acura, she has since had a 2021 Hyundai Palisade, a 2024 Yukon Denali, and this week she traded the Denali for this bad boy right here. This is a 2026 Ford Expedition Platinum with a 2-inch lift. We got some Arena wheels, Nittos Ridge grapplers. Just the right size, man. That is just perfect. Not too much. Not overkill. I love the new front end of the Expedition. This is a sweet ride. And the Denali was her dream car. But I started telling her about 6 months ago, as she was pushing 30,000 miles, I said, darling, if you don't get rid of that 6.2, you're going to be walking on the side of the interstate. So finally had to go back to the dealer for they wanted to, it was under the recall, and they wanted to switch her oil weight, which they did, but she was starting to notice some lifter noise, so she traded, and they gave her exactly what she wanted for it on trade. She traded it back into the dealer she bought it from. But yeah, this thing's bad. It's awesome. Let's check out the inside. Oh, it's got the automatic sideboards, side steps. Got the kind of charcoal wood grain treatment with a little brushed aluminum. I like the steering wheel here. That is pretty cool, man. Flat on the top and on the bottom. I guess it's got what does Ford call their system? Super Cruise or something like that? Blue Cruise? I can't remember. Damn, check that out. This thing is clean. Had 11 miles when she picked it up 2 days ago. Beautiful, beautiful. Of course, you know, some people are going to be like, oh, it's got an EcoBoost. B-O, what is that? Bang & Olufsen, right? Yeah. You kidding me? This has Bang & Olufsen? EcoBoost, blah, blah, blah. Well, the EcoBoost has been around since 2011, y'all. And they've tweaked it, worked on it. I see them at auction with 300,000 miles on them. 250,000 miles, still running good. I have no idea if they're burning oil or not. They might be. Heated seats, climate control. Back here, this is nice. Smells good. These things look like they will open up and hold an iPad. Like they fold or something. I don't know. Y'all tell me if I'm wrong. That's what it looks like, a tablet holder. This is the only option it doesn't have that her Denali did have. Her Denali had the TVs built into the headrest. This one doesn't, but this one has that better stereo and the Blue Cruise or whatever the hell you call it. Let's start her up. Oh, dude. Ooh, that thing sounds good. She said it had 11 miles on it when she bought it. Got 278 now. So you got a map up there, map here. This is awesome. AC seat, please. AC 72. Let's go down a little bit. Do not want very much fan. I want more than that though. Alright, here's our transmission, and oh god, do they still have auto start stop? Seriously? God. Jeez. Oh, I like this for going up and down, changing your gears manually. Ooh, nice camera. Man, that's pretty. That is pretty. Let's get this old seatbelt on. We're going to go for a ride. I asked her if she thought this was quicker than her Denali. And she said she's not sure yet. She can't decide. Because she said her Denali hauled ass with the 6.2. Which I know the thing made over 400 horsepower. But doesn't this as well? I'm really not sure. I don't know what this thing puts out. But I'm sure it's quick enough. And we are going to find out. I know I can already tell, even though this thing has a 2-inch lift and big wheels and tires, I can already tell this drives lighter, like it has a lighter feel to it. The steering and the truck doesn't feel nearly as heavy as that Denali did. I always thought that Denali felt like a big tank. This thing feels a little more agile. Oh, I like the sound of that EcoBoost. That sounds really good. Very, very good. Oh yeah. Now, her Hyundai Palisade did this. Gave you a view when you turn on your left and right blinker, you know. There it is. You had a view, a camera view down the side. I like that. Her Palisade had that. That was really nice. I like that a lot. Yeah, this thing just feels lightweight, man. And to me, it feels quicker. Like, much quicker. I can hear the Nitto grapplers a little bit. Just a little bit. It's not bad though. I think this thing has a 10-speed transmission. It shifts pretty well. It shifts better than the last 10-speed Ford EcoBoost I drove. My stepdad's truck. He's got a I think it's a 22 or 23 F-150 10-speed. Lord, that thing was such a busy transmission. Busy, busy, busy. All right, let's do standing start. Oh yeah, she's pretty quick. I eased up just a little because I did remember, hey, this car's brand new, Joe. Probably not a good idea to put it to the floor. Oh man, but it is smooth. And it's pretty quiet, even with the tires. I can hear just a little bit of tire noise. But it's not that bad. nice modulation on the brakes. Man, I like that. They feel good. The harder you press them, the harder she stops. That's how it's supposed to work, right? Yeah, this thing's nice, y'all. And she said this Platinum was $20,000 less new than her 24 Denali was new. Not bad. Shoot, we are in the sun. Sorry about that, y'all. These ventilated seats are serious. I literally can feel wind blowing on the back of my arm coming from the seat. They work. They definitely work. Sorry guys, the sun just got so bad I had to stop the film. Anyway. I love it. So yeah, I think pricing for this Platinum was somewhere in the 76, 77 range. At least that's the deal she worked out. Of course, you know, that's a shit ton of money. I can't afford one. But, you know, her Denali was 20 grand more than that back in 24. And I definitely don't think those things are worth it. Especially with all the freaking problems everybody's having. So this is her first Ford. So we'll see what happens. Let's see if this thing's reliable or not. And see what happens. Anyway, that guy just jumped out in front of me for some damn reason. Like, comment. Definitely comment. Let me know what y'all think about this thing. She's a beast. Beauty and beast. Like it a lot. And we will see you guys with the next one. Peace. EcoBoost 3.5 in the new Ford Expedition Platinum. They got rid of the engine covers. It's just raw and exposed. It looks like it's got the little tabs for the engine cover, but it's not on there. It's kind of odd. You think that matters? I don't know. Start her up. To that old dipstick. Like the yellow tulip. Smooth. So smooth. Where are those turbos? I guess they're back there in the back somewhere. Or did they put them on the front? Hell, I don't know. Must be on the back. I see one.
I think, down there.